Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a two-story unfinished house for sale. This house is being sold by private treaty. It is located in Milk River, Clarendon. This 5,500 square feet structure sits on 0.14 acres of land, and it is over 40% complete with the ground floor designed to accommodate a carport, kitchen, living, dining, laundry room, and back porch. The upper floor is perfect for the potential buyer to complete with their own design and finishes. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 15 million or US $97,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.